Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna introduce you a new open source project that I just created last week. So um, there is a pain point that I was trying to upload a PDF file to the government website, and they require the file size with a certain limit. But when I create the PDF file from Google Docs or Slides, this export file is quite big, so I need to find a way to resize the PDF file. And actually, there was few websites that do this service, but I don't want to risk my file to be uploaded to a strong website, and so that's why I created this PDF resize service. So the initial version, even though it's publicly available for people to see to check the file, but actually it will be deleted after 1 day. So if you have a file that is not sensitive, you can try that one out. And in the future, I will add the authentication or mechanism to only show the file that you uploaded. So just stay tuned. And the project is open source, so you can check the code here, and you can support by to give it a star, shared, or sponsor if you want to. And I'm gonna show you a demo at the moment. So let's show the file. So this PDF file has the size of 1.4 megabyte. Let's check it out, and then I'm gonna upload it. So we have a crappy loading message right here, but just ignore it. So after a few moments, we're gonna have a link right here to download the PDF file that just been processed. So I can tell you what happened on the backend. That when I upload the file, it will create a file store record, and we have a cloud and service from Google Cloud that will listen to the file store, and then after that get the file from cloud storage, and then run the script to resize it, and after that put it back to the file store. That's why you see the download PDF file appear under the disclaimer. So it happened pretty fast for 1.5 megabyte. And then let's check the file size. So we have the resize file, which is from 1.4 megabyte to 485 gigabyte. Then let's check out the quantity. Yeah, so the quantity is pretty good. Yeah, so yeah, so we have the resize file working correctly. So in the future, I will add more feature to this one, and the project is completely open source. So just check out the GitHub right here, and then if you have any question or request, just let me know. Cool. Thank you.